You saw her here, and she did an energetic dance as well. Let us make welcome to the Principal Secretary in the Ministry of Culture, Madam Ummi Bashir. Let us give a big round of applause. Karibu sana. Karibu sana.
Good afternoon. Assalamu alaikum. God is good and all the time. Our chief guest, Her Excellency, the First Lady of the Republic of Kenya, Mama Rachel Ruto, the Head of Public Service, Mr. Felix Koskei, Cabinet Secretaries present, CS Moses Kuria, who is representing my CS Aisha Jumwa. She sends her apologies today. My CS Penina Malonza, ambassadors, dignitaries, high commissioners, members of parliament present today, my fellow PSs, I can't thank you enough for your support. Thank you very much. Senators, governors, and my fellow Kenyans, all protocols observed. Hamjambo. Today marks a momentous occasion in the history of our great nation. We celebrate the first Utamaduni Day as a country. This day was previously known as Moi Day. We reimagined and redefined as a celebration of our rich cultural heritage. However, this is the first time that an actual cultural celebration has been done here on this day in this great nation of ours. It is truly a privilege and a great honor to speak to you on this occasion that celebrates our diverse cultural heritage, beliefs, customs that make up our beautiful country. On this inaugural nationwide celebration, we embrace the spirit of unity that our cultural diversity weaves, transcending time and reminding us of the strength found in our diversity. Our cultural heritage is the compass that guides us, connecting the past, the present, and the future. It is a reflection of the struggles, triumphs, and shared experiences of the Kenyan people. Hence, the decision to celebrate this day as Utamaduni Day reflects our commitments to fostering a deeper understanding and an appreciation of our cultural heritage. Utamaduni expresses the essence of our shared identity as a people. It is a celebration of our languages, our cuisines, our music, our arts, our dances, and the various expressions of who we are as Kenyans. Today's celebration is merely marking the passage of time, but it is an affirmation of our dedication to protecting, preserving, and promoting the passing of the legacy of our forefathers to future generations. Our cultural heritage is living, breathing, and it evolves and adapts, but its core remains steadfast, grounding us in the values, ideas that define us as one Kenyan family. The choice of Bomas of Kenya as the venue of the inaugural Utamaduni Day is symbolic. Bomas is a Bomas for the people of Kenya. It is a home. It is our village. Bomas is a beacon of cultural preservation. It stands as a testament to the richness of our cultural diversity, providing a space for the convergence of traditions from every corner of our great nation, as you saw this morning. Therefore, as we witness the exhibitions, the performances, as we taste the different cuisines and dances to various cultural songs, showcasing the vibrant spectrum of our heritage, let us be reminded of the strength that lies in our unity as a nation. I want to express my appreciation to His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya for his visionary leadership in recognizing the significance of safeguarding our cultural heritage. As we embark on this new chapter with Utamaduni Day, let us embrace the opportunity to bridge gaps, build bridges, and foster a sense of pride in our shared identity. Our cultural heritage is not simply a thing of the past. It serves as a guiding beacon that illuminates the way towards a prosperous future. May this day of Utamaduni mark the beginning of a tradition where we come together as a nation to celebrate the beauty of our diversity and strength. And also, may it bond us and unite us as a people. As we immerse ourselves in the festivities today, let us ponder upon the wisdom imparted by our founding fathers and mothers who envisioned a Kenya built on peace, liberty, and unity as the foundation of our national ethos. Kenya does not have a national dress, do we? Do we have a national dress? That is something that we are working on. And we promise by the next Utamaduni Day, we will consult and we vow to at least have a Kenyan national dress by the next Utamaduni Day. Kenya yetu, amani, umoja, undugu na upendo. Asanteni sana. Thank you, everybody. I would like to thank you all for making time to join us today. Please feel free, have fun, enjoy yourselves. Utamaduni Day is all about us as Kenyans. We should be proud of our cultures. We should not be shy. We should be proud of our cultures. Thank you. I take this opportunity to invite the head of public service, Mr. Felix Koskei. Thank you.